Whoa! That's... Whoa! Whoa, that's a mushroom cloud if I've ever seen one in person. Be sure to like and subscribe and click that notification bell.
Liam Out Loud. Liam Out Loud. Life is super awesome on Liam Out Loud.
Hey guys, it's me, Liam from Liam Out Loud, and today we are doing something that I have only done once, and we are redoing it today. We are making a little smoke bomb out of these ingredients. So, here is how to make it. First, you take a fuse and you stick it down in the styrofoam ball. This step might take a little while because it's a little bit fidgety to get a fuse in there. So, if you're going to try to make this, please use a small styrofoam ball, not one of the teeny tiny ones that you use for making a Christmas snowman. One about 4 inches in diameter. And I'm putting the covering back on. Next, we are going to add the powder, and we're going to put some of that in here. And then we're going to put a few orange crayon shavings. We're going to put some more in after that. And then we're going to add more orange crayon shavings. And we're going to repeat that until the styrofoam ball is filled with this powder and the crayon shavings. Now I don't have much crayon shavings left, so I might not be able to use that much of crayon shavings to make it look orange. So then we'll put some firecrackers in. Make sure you put the fuse side in there for some side explosions. And it will also make sure that it catches on fire. And then you have your spectacular little explosion. You kind of want them in, they can be secure, and then you're going to have some side explosions. So there we go, we've added our firecrackers. I think we might put my last of my crayon shavings on. And the final step, to cover up the top. So that way, you can really make sure that you get an explosion without anything escaping. So I'm going to use some masking tape to tape it on. And I'm going to make sure that it's really secure, so I'm going to put some tape on top of the sides of the tape that I put there. Boom. I also made a little name tag. It's kind of a nuclear pun. It's, instead of the solid bomba, it's the LOL bomba. And hopefully this does a pretty good explosion. We will see you at the testing site. Welcome to the testing grounds, aka our backyard. So the story is, once there was a war. There's lots of stuff going on. The chain is where the teams are divided. The green team versus the tan team. It looks like the tan team is losing by a lot, while the green team is taking a victory lap. So it appears that this is a dangerous war. But then something mysterious falls out of the sky. Oops. An egg that's filled with goodies?
I think we might need to crack this. This might be a little bit dangerous. And then something else comes along. Here we go. Saw a mysterious egg falling out of the sky. What's weird? Oh no, what's going on? So there's a nuke here. A nuke! Beep! 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 I recommend backing up, soldiers. For safety reasons, they removed the egg, and the only thing that stood there was not the soldiers. They backed away to another country, and now this little boy is gonna be set off very soon. So buckle up and get ready for a wild explosion. Whoa! That's a mushroom cloud if I've ever seen one in person. Whoa! That's a Whoa! That was unexpected! Yee! This is so channel worthy. Amazing. And I don't know where the army men went. Well, that's what happens if you guard a nuke. Yo, this literally formed a mushroom cloud, kind of. No, not a morel mushroom cloud, but like a mushroom cloud on a nuke. Oh, look what it did to the chain and story mode. It literally deleted the paint on it for the blocks. If you ever want to see inside a styrofoam bomb, this is your chance. Wow. The covering even got blown off. This is a spectacular smoke bomb that I made. This is the inside of the bomb that's been destroyed. This is amazing. The remains of a bomb in my hand. Wow. Insane. Whoa! Be sure to like and subscribe and click that notification bell. I hope you enjoyed my video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Please come back and visit. My next video is going to be super awesome.